Yoshi!
These bolts look better, but it's time to, of course I got the wrong one. Alright, so I'm in the process of cleaning the oil pan. I'm going to start with the lower oil pan first, clean that up. And then, already cleaned here already, so. And then, I'm going to clean this side. This side should be a little bit easier compared to the other side. And I'll get this all put together. I'm going to put the new seal in here. And we should be good to go. Everything looks good. All right, upper oil pan is installed. I'm happy with it. Now I'm going to install my baffle. I have a Blue Moon Performance baffle. Hopefully it helps with the oil and no oil starvation and keep it in the pan. This is how it looks. All my holes are lined up. Once you get this all lined up, then you take this and you put it on. It's that simple, and you bolt it down. That is it. All right, so I'm very lucky because this is a non-VVTi motor front sump, and I'm very lucky that I have a VVTi oil pan. I guess there's a difference in the oil pan depth, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. There you go. You can see the difference. This one, the non-VVTi oil pan is a little shallow. Doesn't have as much depth as the VVTi oil pan. So yeah, I'm glad I got both. But oil pan is on to the next part of the project. Putting the new rear main seal on. Finally got my new flywheel from Autosports Engineering. That's going to be going on today. So yeah, I just got a lot of parts that came in over the holidays. Have the new rear main seal in. That is done. Now it is time to put on the flywheel. So, and this has a removable friction disc. So that's all done, tight, everything is marked. And now to put this in. You want to torque it? Everything is nice and torqued. All of these have been done. My friction plate, nice and torqued. So we're gonna put the flywheel and pressure plate on. All right, clutch is going on. I'm gonna just get these started. All right, so I got my adapter plate on and my starter. That is on. Time for the tranny. All right, so I got some new fluids in. For my BMW friends, they told me to add this. So I went ahead and added that. It says for engine, but you know, I'm gonna go with what they recommend. There we go. So new throw bearing, greased everything up, and I'm gonna slide this on. All right, so I have my trans on. Everything is nice and tight. I'm gonna try and stab this in the car. We'll see how it goes. And if I get it in tonight, I will plumb this up. This is a clutch delay valve right here. So for BMW guys who runs a BMW transmission, this is supposed to be a great tool. So we shall see. All right, I got the motor in. Everything is nice and tight. It's pretty level. Again, I am using G35 350Z motor mounts. They work with the factory motor mounts, the VH41, or you can use RB25. So that is all done. Put my fuel pressure regulator on. I put my what do you call this? Clutch delay valve. All the lines are ran nicely. Everything is done for now. I got these valve covers off of Facebook. Figured I'd try them. Look pretty good. Hopefully they will work pretty good. It's not bad. It's coming together. And then in the next video, I'm gonna start doing some wiring. I already started doing a little bit of wiring. Ran it nicely. Boost sensor, and then I have all my other gauges ran underneath there. So that is done.